Clean your workspace, a simple guide to an organized life. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common but important phrase, clean your workspace. Whether you're studying, working from home, or just spending time in your personal area, keeping your workspace clean is crucial. Not only does it help you stay organized, but it also boosts your productivity and mental clarity. Let's break down what this phrase means and how you can apply it in your daily life. Clean your workspace might seem straightforward, but there's a lot packed into these few words. Clean is a verb that means to remove dirt, dust, or unnecessary items from a place or object. Your is a possessive adjective, indicating that the workspace belongs to the person being addressed. And workspace refers to the area where you perform your work or study. This can be a desk, a table, or any place you use to get your tasks done. When someone tells you to clean your workspace, they're encouraging you to tidy up and organize the area where you work. This involves removing anything that's not necessary for your tasks, wiping away dust or spills, and arranging your tools and materials so they're easily accessible. You might wonder why keeping your workspace clean is given so much importance. Well, a cluttered and messy area can significantly affect your focus and productivity. It's hard to concentrate when you're surrounded by disarray. Additionally, a clean workspace can reduce stress. Knowing exactly where everything is can lessen anxiety about lost items or forgotten tasks. Increase efficiency. Less clutter means fewer distractions, making it easier to complete your work. Boost creativity. A tidy environment is like a blank canvas, giving your mind the space to come up with new ideas. Cleaning your workspace doesn't have to be a daunting task. Here are some simple steps to help you get started. 1. Remove unnecessary items. Start by taking everything off your desk or work area and only put back what you need. 2. Organize your tools. Use organizers, shelves, or drawers to keep your supplies in order. Labeling can also be a great help. 3. Regular maintenance. Make it a habit to clean your workspace at the end of each day or week. This will keep the clutter from building up. 4. Personalize your space. Adding personal touches, like photos or plants, can make your workspace feel more comfortable and inspiring. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of keeping your workspace clean and gives you some practical tips to achieve it. Remember, a clean workspace is key to a more productive and stress-free work or study experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Keep organizing and happy working!